2019 Lexus RC has made its debut, bringing new looks to the nameplate, along with new options, sharpened suspension and other improvements. Most notable of the changes made to the Lexus RC for 2019 are the headlights. Gone are the funky two-segment headlights of the former Lexus RC. They've been replaced by a more traditional L-shaped LED headlight design. Other cosmetic changes include a new front bumper corner, a different grille mesh pattern, new rear corner air ducts and redesigned taillights. There's also new 19-inch alloy wheels and a new grille mesh pattern for RCF Sport models. Lexus S10 exterior colors will be offered on the RC for 2019, including the new blue Vortex metallic hue shown here. A new dark grey streamline interior color is also being offered, which will be standard on F Sport models. Other interior colors include glazed caramel and black with yellow accents, although there are 7 interior color combinations possible on the coupe. The RC has long been derided for its odd handling characteristics, and it sounds as Lexus has addressed this issue for 2019. The two-door has received stiffer suspension bushings, new shock absorbers and suspension retuning for a sharper and more refined ride. It also gets a new fin-shape element on the side window mold and a small rear bumper duct, which contribute to further handling enhancements, Lexus claims. The 2019 Lexus RC Coupe will make its official debut at the 2018 Paris Motor Show this fall, at which point more details will become available.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.